Okay, so now my name is 𝐿𝐺𝐻𝐻𝐻. I'm working here as a business unit head. I'm looking after two division, ENT and general portfolio, and I'm looking after both the functions, sales and marketing. So before attending this course, our expectation was, since we are in sales and marketing, so we used to analyze different data on daily basis, monthly basis and quarterly basis, and we used to share this data with our sales team. So the pain point which we were facing, since we are not into financial background, so the pain point which we were facing before attending this course was pivot table, because we receive a lot of numerical data from our distribution department and from our different departments. So we used to compile these data. So before attending this course, we were unable to use pivot table, and we were unable to apply different formulas like VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP. So after attending this course, we are very much confident that we will analyze the data more efficiently as compared to last, or as compared to before attending this course, and we will be sharing this data more effectively with our sales team as well, so that they can analyze their data and make effective strategies in order to overcome competition and to perform well better than before. So I would like to congratulate and I would like to appreciate the efforts of YouExcel and our HR department for conducting this course, majorly for sales and marketing personnels as well as for different department as well. And I am hoping that we'll continue to perform and practice all the functions which we have received or which we have taught in the last 6 classes. So I think that this course would help us in sharpen our skills related to Excel, PowerPoint and Word. Secondly, I would like to highlight one of the pain point which we were facing before attending this course was dashboard. Since we are in sales and marketing, so we used to play with the data. So we received a huge number of data. So in order to compile that raw data into a respectable phase, dashboard was used to be a very much critical point for sales and marketing perspective. So before attending this training, this was our pain point, but after attending this, we are 30% or 40% we have sharpened our skills on dashboard, and I'm very much confident that me and myself and my team will be more efficiently will be having a more efficient grip on this basic pain point, and we'll be able to share the data with our sales team more effectively, and it would also help us to sharpen our skills and make effective and efficient sales strategies related to our portfolio.